This is Anita Coppins with Dynamic Page Solutions. Content writing for your website should be approached with the intention of presenting your community or area in a manner that would appeal to potential homebuyers. Expressing your knowledge and conveying community highlights is an excellent way to capture the attention of your audience. But remember that although you may be a fascinating person with tons of expertise in real estate, the primary intent of those that visit your site is to look for real estate. So save the biography and testimonials for the appropriate pages. Creating good content for your site will help do a number of things, like distinguish the pages of your website from any other websites that may make listings visible to the search engines and offer unique, value-laden content for the search engines to index. Each page of your Dynamic Page Solutions website is optimized for different keywords. So when writing for any one page, check for the page title and include at least one usage of the primary keyword and secondary keyword in the body of the content. Here you want to pay special attention to keyword prominence. This means that when developing your content or changing page titles or writing introduction paragraphs for any web page, you'll want to put the keywords first, then embellish with detail. When accessing these pages while logged into the administrative area of your website, these keywords will be apparent in the page title, meta keyword, meta description, H1 and H3 tags that are already set up. You can absolutely change your page titles and metadata to improve the auto-optimization of your web pages. More details on this are given in our website editing video available exclusively for DPS clients. For anyone with a real estate website, remember that page titles are one of the most important factors for on-site page optimization. So if you're ready to improve your rankings and make changes to your page titles, do so slowly over time. Unless your website is brand new or you don't rank for any keywords that you're trying to win on, then a comprehensive change to your website will have a little impact on placement initially, but you'll have taken steps to improve ranking. Most agents do not know what their content should include, so I'm going to give you some ideas and resources to use while you create your website content. Most of you will have about 13 web pages for which to provide content. Around 250 words per page should be fine, unless you have more community details or information you want to share. Let's start with the index page, otherwise known as the home page. Depending on how many areas your website covers, you may want to focus this content on the neighborhood, city, or area that the website targets. For example, if your site is solely focused on a neighborhood, here is where you want to include all of the neighborhood highlights. If the site targets a city, then write something broader that encompasses aspects of that city. If you have a multi-city website, detail some of the reasons a person might enjoy living in that general area, but don't forget to highlight specifics as well to each of the cities. Your index page should include names of popular school districts within the area, along with zip codes, desirable employers, and of course attractions. It's important to use exact names and identifiers when you're writing because you want the content to capture search engine traffic. In generalities such as families love spending a day at the lake is too broad. You want to say families love spending a day at St. Hugh's Memorial Lake. This captures specific traffic and also helps to define the geospecific target of the website with the search engines by including content that is broadly associated with the area. A side note about keyword stuffing. When it comes to repeating the same keywords on a web page, more is not better. In fact, including the same keyword, say city real estate for sale, over and over can actually get you penalized by the search engines. So consider using variations of the phrase real estate, like homes for sale, properties, MLS listings, and houses. If you're having trouble coming up with ideas, use the web to learn more about your community. Sources like the Chamber of Commerce, Wikipedia, Parks and Recs, and .gov sites can be a great resource for material. While referencing these sites, be sure to write in your own words. Never copy and paste content from someone else's websites and claim the content as your own. Search engines have a record in their database of content and their original sources, so you're not helping your rankings by copying others' work. Plus, there is the issue of copyright infringement and legal actions the original author can take to protect their content. So even if you're not a superstar when it comes to writing, original, unique content is always best. Now let's talk about writing content for specific niches you've chosen to target. These are what we call topic pages, and they are pages that are dedicated to property features such as 4-bedroom, gated, golf, luxury, or a specific master plan community, for example. Let's take a look at a golf topic page. To make the most of a topic page that is focused on golf properties, you could start by researching all of the golf courses within the city or area that your website focuses on. This particular website focuses on Las Sendas, a master plan community in Mesa, AZ. You can see they have mentioned the golf club by name and supported the content with golf-related verbiage including PGA, golf lessons, views of the golf course, golf communities, and more. You can also see that they did not go overboard with the keywords, but used many variations and subsets of the main theme of the page. Now let's take a look at the content for the gated topic page. You can see that they peppered the content conservatively with variations of the gated keyword, including private real estate, gated neighborhoods, and gated community. The specific names of the gated subdivisions were also used within the body of the content along with other attractions of the area. If you have trouble coming up with variations, an old-fashioned thesaurus may provide you with some help. There is also internet resources that can help you come up with keywords and variations. The first is at yippee.com, which is a meta search engine. Just type in the phrase that you want variations for and click search. Then go to all clouds and review the results on the left for the keyword variation ideas. Another resource is, of course, Google AdWords. Go to Get Keyword Ideas, and from here you can see different variations of the keyword you can use. Let's look at one more example for property feature specific content. The foreclosed topic page's content includes many variations of the theme foreclosure, including real estate foreclosures, foreclosed properties, homes in foreclosure in Las Sendas, and foreclosed homes. When you're writing for a topic page on a community-themed site, it's not necessary to repeat the name of the community over and over again. This could be seen as keyword stuffing, so just mention the name as it seems natural over the course of the content. So now that you have an idea of how to write for your index and topic pages, let's go over writing content for a topic or theme that's not necessarily covered within MLS or Google-based databases, such as homeowner association details or community information. Creating pages such as these serve a twofold purpose. You show your client that you are in tune with details about the area, and the search engines have more community-specific content to index and attribute to your website. Thus, you show that your site has valuable information and can be considered a resource for people searching for real estate in your chosen area. Again, mentioning features and attractions by name is very important. That way, the search engine bots or spiders that crawl your web pages understand what it is you're trying to convey, and your primary content is supported with related and relevant keywords and phrases. Now that you've learned how to write and why to write content for your website, you will be able to increase the ranking of your web pages and also provide unique content for the search engines, which will help differentiate your pages from any other web pages that may be optimized for keywords for which you're trying to win traffic. Remember, search engines like updated content, so don't be shy about adding or changing your content from time to time. Thanks for watching.